Imagine a town painted in every shade of blue, nestled in the heart of Morocco's rugged Rif Mountains. Welcome to Chefchaouen, a hidden gem that seems to have sprung from a dream. This enchanting town is renowned for its striking blue-washed buildings that cascade down the mountainside, creating a mesmerizing sea of azure, cobalt, and sapphire. As you wander through Chefchaouen's narrow, winding streets, you're enveloped in a tranquil ambiance that has long captivated artists, photographers, and soul-seekers. The town's layout, with its steep cobbled lanes and beautifully adorned doorways, invites curiosity and exploration. Each corner and alleyway whispers tales of serenity and artistic inspiration. Founded in the 15th century, Chefchaouen served as a fortress for exiles from Spain. Over the centuries, it has evolved into a cultural haven, retaining a palpable sense of history and spirituality. This town isn't just a place, it's a retreat from the clamor of the modern world. Chefchaouen isn't just a town, it's a canvas that captures the essence of peace and artistic inspiration. Step into the blue Medina, where every alley whispers stories of the past. Here the streets are a labyrinth of azure, each turn and stairway bathed in hues of sky and sea. As you wander, the scent of fresh paint mingles with the aroma of spices wafting from the vibrant local markets. The heart of these markets beats with the rhythm of artisans at work. Observe as skilled hands craft wonders from the earth itself, pottery that carries the coolness of the mountains, hand-woven rugs that tell tales in their patterns. Each piece, a fragment of Chefchaouen's soul, is offered with a smile from locals whose ancestors have shaped their craft over generations. Hidden courtyards offer a tranquil escape, spots where sunlight dances on walls painted every conceivable shade of blue. Here, cultural exchanges flow as freely as the mint tea offered in every shop. In the Medina of Chefchaouen, every turn brings a new surprise, painting a vivid picture of life in blue. Away from the cobblestone streets, find serenity at Ras El Ma, where nature sings the songs of the mountains. Nestled on the outskirts of Chefchaouen, this tranquil spot is where the mountain's bounty pours forth, offering a refreshing escape. Here, crystal clear waters tumble down, merging with the gentle river that meanders through the lush landscape. It's a place where locals come together, some to wash their garments in the age-old tradition, others to fill their jugs with the pure mountain water. Visitors often find themselves captivated, seated on the riverbank, lost in the soothing sounds of flowing water and rustling leaves. Ras El Ma offers a peaceful retreat, a perfect spot to reflect and soak in the town's natural beauty. Climb the gentle slopes to the Spanish Mosque, a viewpoint like no other. As you ascend, the chatter of the town fades into a hushed whisper, replaced by the soft rustling of the wind. Each step brings into view a more striking panorama of Chefchaouen, nestled below in a symphony of blues that seem to merge with the sky at the horizon. Reaching the top, the landscape unfolds like a vivid tapestry. The setting sun casts a golden hue across the rooftops, each shade of blue deepening into richer, duskier tones. This moment, perched above the town, feels like a serene pause in time, a breath held between day and night. As the sun dips below the horizon, the Spanish Mosque offers a moment of unparalleled connection with Chefchaouen's spirit. Beyond the blue lies the green. Explore the vast expanses of Talassemtane National Park. As you step away from the azure charm of Chefchaouen, the earthy hues of Talassemtane envelop you. Here, the air is fresher, the greens are deeper, and the sounds of nature play a symphony. Wander through dense forests that host a vibrant tapestry of flora, cedars reaching towards the sky, wildflowers dotting the underbrush. Listen for the calls of the elusive Atlas squirrel or the majestic flight of golden eagles overhead. The park offers a variety of trails, each leading to breathtaking vistas and serene waterfalls. Remember, while the beauty is boundless, the responsibility to preserve such pristine environments is ours. Talassemtane is not just a park, it's an adventure into the heart of nature's untouched beauty. Chefchaouen, a mosaic of blue streets, warm smiles, and untouched landscapes, invites you on a journey of discovery. From the labyrinthine alleys of the Blue Medina, brimming with artisanal treasures, to the serene waters of Ras El Ma, this town offers a palette of experiences. Ascend to the Spanish Mosque at sunset and see the town awash in golden light, or venture into the verdant paths of Talassemtane National Park, where nature whispers ancient secrets. Consider staying in charming guest houses, indulging in the rich flavors of Moroccan cuisine, and visiting during the milder spring or autumn months for the best experience. Chefchaouen isn't just a place to visit, it's a world to be absorbed step by colorful step. Discover the charm and mystery of Chefchaouen, where every corner holds a new story, waiting for you to write it.